Hey guys, this is Jack and welcome to another video. So a few updates of today slash tonight. I'm not going to stay at Best Buy overnight because I'm way too tired for my classes. I might even be doing back-to-back classes from 9 a.m. all the way to 9 p.m. And they're back-to-back with maybe about half an hour to an hour in between each class. There's 3 classes total. So you can kind of tell my workload is it's a lot of work, and I have a lot. These classes are college classes. They're they're 3 to 5 units. I'm not sure about the middle class, the class in the middle in afternoon time. I'm still, figuring out if I can get in the class. But anyway, you don't want to hear about my class issues. Well, you do want to hear about something about tech. So let's go on with the iPhone 4. And as you know, some people got their iPhone 4s yesterday. They got in the mail, and a lot of people are waiting outside. Some guy, from NY Times, they reported a guy waiting outside a Texas Apple store for 1 week before tomorrow. So he's been waiting there for 6-7 days now, and he's got a tent and everything. But some people have on Mac Rumors front page, they have a few pictures of some guys in front of the NYC Apple stores or whatever, or Regent Street or what, I don't know where it is, but some people have already started waiting outside the stores today / yesterday, tonight, whatever. So here are some samples. I put together a slideshow of samples. See if you can guess which one's iPhone 4 and which one's the iPhone 3GS. I will tell you which one's which at the end. They're all in the same order, unless I tell you otherwise. So enjoy the first 2 pictures, the first 2 comparison pictures, or a set of 2 pictures per comparison. So the first 2 comparison sets are iPhone 4 versus iPhone 3GS, and the last pictures are just They're easy to tell which one's which. And the photos of objects and whatever, those are taken with iPhone 4s. And thanks guys for watching this video. So I hope you guys enjoy the slideshow. So that picture was a Safari web browser window from iPhone 4, and the first one was iPhone 4, the second one was iPhone 3GS, and I zoomed in from the top, using Cambridge effect on the top to kind of the text, the heavy text, and images of macrumors.com, and I did that for both. They're both the same effect. I applied the same exact effect, same positioning, everything to both images. So you can kind of tell that the iPhone 4 is much more clear. You can see a lot more. There's a lot more pixels. It's a lot more dense in a way because you can see more, there's more clarity overall. And the iPhone 3GS, while you can still see it, it's just not as clear. It's not like it doesn't work or it's really blurry. You can't make out any kind of text, because I did kind of blow it up to be kind of big for you guys to see a difference. But again, you can see the difference of the Retina display and such things like that. So the next image. So the next image was the home screens, were the home screens of iPhone 4 and iPhone 3GS. And although the backgrounds weren't the same, the resolution was scaled to exact same. I used the same effect as the same camera's effect, positioning, blah blah, as last set of comparison images. And you can kind of tell the iPhone 4, once you zoom in on it, it's a lot more clear. The text is more smooth and curved versus the blocky sort of text on the iPhone 3GS. And that's really apparent because when you're gaming, that you can also see the differences in gaming. Although I don't have any game footage because I don't have an iPhone 4 yet. But again, you can kind of see a difference. The last image was actually 2 home screens pasted together, and I zoomed in on both of them side by side, and then you can really tell the difference between the iPhone 3 and iPhone 3GS and iPhone 4, because the text was text, the icons, the clarity, it was just a lot more clear, a lot more crisp than the iPhone 3GS. For the iPhone 4 was more than the iPhone 3GS. And the next few images are images I pulled off the web. I'm not sure, I can't verify that they're actually taking iPhone 4, but on a Mac Rumors forum, there was a thread that basically let people post their pictures they took with their iPhone 4, that for those of those of you that already received theirs. And again, It might be a different, photo, may not be taken by the iPhone 4, but you can kind of see the clarity and how it works in the real world. Those are unaltered originals, I believe, and I can't verify that, but I'm sure someone who knows more about photography and metadata can. So as for that, the last image, let's see here. Yeah, the last image is actually of someone's house, and I zoomed in on like some of the details of the house, like the windows, the bricks, the like things on the side of the windows. I forgot what they're called. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Overall, it was a comparison between the iPhone 4 and iPhone 3GS's screen, and you can see the Retina display does have an effect, although it's not really noticeable. Like it won't go like pop in your face, kind of noticeable. It is there, and once we have high resolution apps and images and photos and videos and blah blah blah, we can fully appreciate the awesomeness of the Retina display. Thanks, guys.